What's going on, YouTube? So I am at the gym, but for today's video I kind of wanted to talk about how to balance having a full-time job with fitness. I know that's a very difficult thing for a lot of people to do, so I wanted to give you all a little bit of advice, and I'll be showing you all my pull workout today. So I think that it is very important that you get your workout out the way in the morning before you even start work. And the reason why I say that is because you never know what's going to happen during the workday at your job. Sometimes you may have to work late, or you may just be too stressed from your workday to even feel like working out. That's one of the reasons why I always preferred working out in the mornings. Even when I was in college, I preferred to get it out the way before I had other things come up throughout the day. And it's just a great way to get a release in the morning, so you're not thinking about it all throughout the day. I go to the gym a little later now than I used to. I used to always come to the gym at 5 a.m. but ever since the pandemic and everything, I've been able to work from home, so I can go to the gym a little later in the morning just because I don't have my normal 45 minutes to an hour commute to work that I had in the past. So right now, let me let you all know what time it is. It is 7:01 a.m. and I'll show you all. About to go in here, get this lift in. Feel free to give this workout a try. I will have the full workout in the description below, but like the video if you like this type of video where I give advice on how I'm able to stay fit. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Let's work. I am back home from the gym. I actually already started working, but I'm having my breakfast now, so I'll show you all what I'm having. I'll have oatmeal with blueberries in here, keeping it pretty simple. And then after this, I'm gonna have a protein shake, but I'm waiting on my wife to get some bananas from Target because we ran out. So the type of protein that I take is this protein here. You all seen me show this before. It's a plant-based protein powder. It's my favorite protein right now, so I've just been sticking to this. And then I'm also going to take a creatine capsule with my oatmeal. Keeping it simple, you know, getting back to the basics, really focused on building muscle, and hopefully next year I'll be able to compete. This year was completely a wash because of the pandemic, and I was not going to risk prepping for a show just to have it get canceled. I figured I can work on my fitness business, continue to grow that, as well as focus on doing the best job possible at my 9 to 5. So I hope you all found this video helpful on how to juggle a full-time job with fitness. It's best to get things out the way early in the morning, so that way you can focus on work for the remainder of the day. And if things happen where you have to work late, or you just don't feel like going to the gym after work, you don't have to worry about that because you got it out of the way. Alright, so stay tuned for more videos where I provide advice on how to stay fit with a busy schedule. And like this video, subscribe to the channel. Catch you on the next one. Peace.